Throughout the year, Council runs free environment events for the community, like this one at Landing Lights Wetlands in Banksia. It was a perfect day to do some bird watching and enjoy some breakfast treats. On hand was bird expert Chelsea from AVI Fauna to answer questions. There are various tracks in the wetlands to take a leisurely stroll. Keep an eye out as you may see migratory birds from as far away as Siberia. After a leisurely stroll, it was time to care for our environment by planting some native seedlings.
It's been really interesting looking at the birds, and yeah, definitely do it again.
What I liked about today was that it was very detailed and they told me a lot about birds that I didn't know.
If you would like to join Council's free community environment events, contact Rockdale City Council on 9562 1666. This has been an RCC News production and is copyright. RCC News is produced by the City Media and Events Unit. Gordana Griaska speaking.